So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand mice and other pointing devices. Now you want to find your mouse, you want to right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. Also, if your mouse comes with a software like my one does, then you want to head over to your software, click on your mouse, click on settings, make sure that you have the latest firmware up to date through the software itself. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in mouse settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then click on additional mouse settings. And now this will come up. You want to copy everything that I have on my screen right here. So for the buttons, you want to make sure you have switch primary and secondary buttons unselected. You want to put the double click speed to around the middle. And you want to untick turn on click lock. Make sure this unticked. Just copy everything that you see here. Now we're going to go to the pointers tab. And now you want to click on use default. Now we're going to go to the pointer options tab. You want to make sure you have select a pointer speed around the middle. You want to turn on enhance pointer position. Make sure you have this turned on. Now you want to untick snap to, untick this. You want to untick display pointer trails. And you want to tick hide pointer while typing. And you want to untick show location of pointer when I press the control key. Again, just copy all of this. Now we're going to go to the wheel tab. Make both of these free. Now we're going to go to the hardware tab. You don't need to do anything here. Now we're going to click on OK. If your cursor looks like this and you don't like it and you want to change it back to normal, then you want to head over to search and type in mouse settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to scroll down, then click on mouse pointer. Now you can change it right here. If you click on this, it'll go back to the default one. You could also change the size and the color. And yeah, once you do all that, you just want to restart your computer and the problem should be fixed.